Welcome to my show, Chin Chin. I'm gonna drink a little. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make sweet, not sweet, Swiss chard. So I have so many, I boiled them. I'm gonna make this tonight with pasta. I remember when I used to be in Calabria as a young woman, this to me was like my friend Elaine, filet mignon. She loves that filet. Me, this is better than that. So that's what I'm gonna make tonight. So I'm gonna start with the garlic. So I'm gonna not chop it, I'm gonna slice it because I like actually to see it when it cooks. Ready here with my oil and it's hot. I put in my hands here and I got them on 8. Now I'm gonna raise it just a little bit, like 9, 10. You don't wanna burn the garlic. You know how I do my tomatoes, take all those seeds out. Look, you see how the tomatoes gotta be? And I don't like to wash those because and then you wash all the flavor of the, okay, so let me check the garlic. You see, look, you see it doesn't burn. Isn't that amazing? Look, my little peperoncino is there. Very simple food, very patient food. I used to do this, well, I used to eat this in my Calabria, my town. I remember my aunt used to go and pick up, not this beautiful sweet chard. Over there, they used to be just green. Here we have, look, red, yellow. I love it, I love it. I'm making a pasta with this in a quick sauce with fresh tomatoes and garlic. Look, the garlic is getting there. I gotta move this. So now I'm gonna put my tomato in there because this is gonna be a very light sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna chop my sweet chards. I'm gonna chop this, what do you call this? The stem. I'm gonna chop, look at what the colors are. Thank you, Tim, if you're watching. But I'm gonna cut it like this, like a little dice. So this will be like the meat. This no cooked, blanched, because I wanted to keep the color. So here we go. You see, these are raw. See, look at the tomatoes. You're almost there, but I'm gonna put it together. Can you see the colors? If you're looking for good food, simple, tell your friend. Let it cook slowly, but I want you to really see the pot. It warms and it cooks fantastic all around. Look, parsley, chopped garlic, cheese, Parmigiano, or Romano, anything you have, okay? And then 2 eggs, so and then we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And then I have breadcrumbs and cheese here. Okay, so this is good. So this is how we do. Okay, so I put a little bit of breadcrumbs. I like with no flavors, okay? This is just plain, and then I put the cheese in it. So now I will put this in here. You see how I do? And now we're gonna do this. But you gotta use your hands. There is no other way here, okay? So I'm gonna go like this. So you can do it like this, look. See, all in there, simple, but use your hand. Yeah. Gotta be careful when you fry it. I need to grab up. You see how quick? Because of the cheese. Look at how thick and firm it is after 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it in here. This needs to cook at least good 5 minutes. I'm almost ready here, so this is gonna be perfect. Do you see this, how nice they are? Look, I love those colors. I don't know if you could take a nice look, and the peperoncino is still there. It smells so good. I'm I'm gonna taste it. Thank you. Bye.